Hey everyone, K13 here, and we're playing Speedy Rush. It's Cluster Rush, but they renamed it. And guess what they did too? They're just fucking floating boxes. They're not even trucks anymore. So yeah, it's weird. Maybe they got copyright, I don't know. Oh god. Yeah, I don't know what happened there, but it's just floating boxes. It's weird. Dun, dun. Whoa, this is a weird level. Oh, what is going on? There's like freaking boxes going everywhere. Yeah, I wish there was still trucks. It doesn't have really the same feel, but it's still pretty good. Oh, where am I going? I don't even know where I'm going. Oh, oh, yes! I thought I was gonna die there. Oh, it's red. It's not pink anymore. Oh, whoa, oh, oh, God. Why did the box not go faster? Can't call it truck anymore. I don't even know what the hell they are. Box. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Yes, saved it. Alright, now I have to go on these. Oh. Are you kidding me? That's bullcrap. That's complete bullcrap. Goo. Goo. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, fuck you. Are you kidding me? How? It keeps moving, and then you jump, and then it's gone. Oh. Did it? Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Are you? That's bullshit. It did the same thing. Spit all over my screen. Oh god. Oh no. Fucking ads. Oh. So, see the same thing again. I don't know what. I'm pretty sure I'm doing it right. Again. Really? What the fuck? Come on. I don't know if it's the game or I'm being stupid. I'm probably being stupid. I don't know. Oh. There we go. Now. Oh wait, no. Yeah. There we go. Oh no. Why isn't the screen turning? The heck? Screen broke. Oh. 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 Ooh. Going up a hill, that's new. Oh. Alright, that was my stupidness. Come on. Oh. Oh. Whoa. 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 Okay, that works too. I see boxes down there. Oh, fuck. Okay, then. What the heck? What the frick is going on? Everyone's crashing into each other. All boxes. Oh man, I wish there were trucks still. Oh god. What's going on? What the frick? Oh no. Oh, thank God. I thought I died. I'm like, that's bullcrap. Oh, now it's green. The heck? Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh, what the? Oh no. Fuck. What is that? This is like acid or whatever? I don't know. They're like going in there and sinking down. Are you kidding me? Oh, of course. Whoa. Oh no, this is the part where I died. Oh. Oh no, we're supposed to go on these. No. I accidentally went left. Are you kidding me? Damn. Oh god. Okay. I'll take that. Oh no. That's complete bullcrap right there. Oh, come on. Ooh. Nope. Okay, I'm good. Alright, we gotta go on these trucks probably. No, wait, they're still going. Okay. Oh! Okay, I'll take that. Awesome. Beat that level. Let's go on this one. That kills you now. Okay. Gotta jump over this thing. Ooh. Almost freaked up right there. Alright, lots of floating boxes. They would be better if they're trucks. And some reason I can't. The thing won't turn my head. So I can't see shit. Oh god. See, what the hell? Why don't you turn my head? Keep going freaking straight. Oh my god, are you shitting? That is bullcrap. Why doesn't my head turn? God dang it. There you go. No. I messed up there. What? So I didn't jump when I pressed it. Alright, I hate this game right now. That was my fault that time. Okay, alright. See, that that has to be. Are you kidding me? Fuck off with these ads. I don't want to play your stupid ass game. Come on. Give me the X. No exit? Really? Come on. Okay, I guess I'm playing a different game now. Oh, okay. Alright. That was weird. Come on. Come on. How is that even possible? Stupid bugs. Fix your fucking bugs. Whoa. Oh my god, that was bullshit. Why don't you fucking turn my screen? Hmm? I didn't even touch the... Oh my god. Wait, isn't this the one where they said it's like really hard? I think it is. Yeah, I can see why it's hard. Oh, I'm still going. Oh, don't die. Don't die. Oh, finally, yes. Alright, more greenness. Oh no, they're going this way now. No, let me catch a ride with you. Oh, my screen's not turning again. Come on, turn. Boom. Ooh, darkness. Alright. Oh no, we have to go this way. Oh no. Whoa, what the heck? That turned my screen really slow. Yeah. Whoa, what was going on? Okay, then. My screen, oh. See, I can't, what? Alright, I guess I have to wait a little bit. Oh no. Alright, this boxes flying everywhere, and I had to jump on the other one, of course. No, are you kidding me? Okay, then stop it with the ads, God. Show me an ad like every freaking time I die. I gotta switch to the other side, or not. What the fuck? Okay. Really? I'm trying to record a video here, you dumbass at. And it doesn't exit out. Okay. I'm gonna stop the video right here. Hopefully you enjoyed. Bye!